live from a very noisy S15. Today, very, very exciting. We are going to Drift Matsuri. Woo-woo! It's about 8:45. I am just about on time. The briefing's at 9 o'clock at Rockingham, so yeah, if I don't make that, I can't do a drift today, so hopefully I'll get there in time. I actually decided to drive the S15 there, because I haven't actually driven the car. I've only driven the car like once. I just wanted to sort of get used to the car really, so yeah, I decided to drive it up. And then Big V is about sort of half an hour behind in the party van. He's got all the tyres and the tools, so so yeah, I'll be meeting him up there. It's a full weekend event, so we've got drifting all day today and all day tomorrow, so yeah, really, really stoked. This car is amazing, I fucking love it. It's the amount of grip with these, oi, I'm talking, shush. The amount of grip this car has in the back is unbelievable because it's running GeoMasters. It's got a massive amount of traction from gear. I've never actually driven a sort of fully set up drift car like this. Obviously my Sora was quite underpowered, quite heavy, didn't have a massive amount of lock. And my S14 was the same, was relatively underpowered and had stock lock. So yeah, this has got loads of lock, loads of traction, loads of power. So yeah, I'm really, really stoked to give it a good skid today. We should be at Rockingham in 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys down there. Peace.
This is the party segment. This is where we invite each and every one of you inside here to come dancing. Yeah, yeah. All time Mr. Trickster. Jungle brother from long time, isn't it? All time Bobo. No, no. Whoa, whoa.
Luckily I haven't missed the briefing, they haven't actually started yet, so I'm just going to go and find a car parking space. We've got Mr. Bastin, very famous painter, and his beautiful E86 running the wrong engine. Hey, only joking. And a lovely R32. Right, we'll catch up with young David in a little minute. We're just going to go and sign on and get ready to do some skids. On. We've got Big Stu. How you doing, bro? We got some lovely cars here today. Mr. Hotsley's RA28 Celica. Very nom nom. Big V. What's up, bro? How you doing?
All good.
How's the old van?
Yeah, very good.
Good. Yeah. The party van gets a 10 out of 10. As you can see, we've got all the tyres and all the equipment ready. And Mr. V's actually hired out a huge amount of equipment from his uni. And we're going to be making a really, really sick sort of cinematic Matsuri video. So yeah, we're going to get the car's pretty much ready. I set up my camera on my helmet so I can get you guys a nice drift diaries. Just going to check my tyre pressures just to see what they're doing, and yeah, going to queue up. The queue sort of over there, you can see there's quite a few people queuing up, so I might have to queue up for sort of 5 or 10 minutes, but it's always a little bit busy at the start of the day. Yeah, let's get ready. We've got the boys applying my sun strip. Basically, I've got no coordination, so yeah, I'm entrusting these lovely lads. Oi, look at that. Precision engineering.
Like a glove.
Absolute legend. See, help's always at hand. Can't fault the drift community. We've got the world's coolest drift couple, Miss Samantha Cole, very nice chap called Sid. Sora Styles. Love a bit of Sora. We do have a slight issue with the 15. Well, it's only a little issue, but the starter motor isn't working very well. So my main man, Mr. V, he's on the pole. We give it a little tap, and fingers crossed it should start. But yeah, I do need to get a starter motor. Ready, old boy?
Yep.
Woo!
The magic stick.
Car is all ready. Oh, here we are. Yeah, car's all good. I'm running, what am I doing? I'm running 30 PSI on the front and 32 on the back. Obviously, I'm not really sure on the grip levels of this car, but it's got quite a bit of horsepower, so I don't want to go too high on the pressures. Yeah, let's go and queue up. What we've got to do first is just a little static noise test, just to make sure the car isn't too loud. This car is quite loud, so I hope it passes, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. Heard some pretty loud cars today, so yeah, fingers crossed. Oh man, I still got a hole in my glove, I completely forgot. Fucking hell, these gloves are like really stiff as well. It feels like they're covered in fucking semen. Next on the list is definitely a new glove, or a new set of gloves.
Can I have 5,000 please, if possible?
You certainly can.
Yeah, that'll do.
Woo! Right, here we are on the track. Just make sure there's no cars coming. All good. I'm going to go out on the oval first, just because there's a massive queue. Woo! She's nippy! What I'm going to do first is just drive around the track and just get used to it. Maybe do a few cheeky skids, but yeah, predominantly just get used to the track. Hey man.
You've been out around this one yet today?
Yeah, not today, but last year I did.
Yeah, no, it's changed.
Yeah,
you can't miss it now. Watch out for the contour kick between the curve and the flat in the first corner. The track tightens as it goes, so watch out for that. When you come through the last barriers, stay the pit side, the walk side of the white line, we'll wave you through.
Cool.
Do not continue to drift the pit lane.
All right.
You will get sin bin.
Alright, no worries.
No worries. Winds
Cheers,
are up,
bud.
have a good one.
Here we are. Right, where's the track? That's pretty cool, look at this. Woo! Yeah, boy! Fucking hell, the lock's incredible, man. I mean, literally, if that was a saw, I probably would have spun it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Very excited. One thing I will say, the handbrake is fucking rubbish. Clutch is a bit skippy, gotta watch force, man. So yeah, next thing on the agenda for this car is sort the handbrake out because it barely works, and yeah, the clutch is slipping a little bit, so we'll see how we get on this weekend. I'll do my best. Oh man, my clutch is slipping. I think I need to let the clutch cool down a little bit. Fuck man, we've only just fucking begun. Can't believe it. Couple of fucking skids and a few backies, and yeah, now might have to go and let the car cool down, man. Literally, this car is fucking amazing. Now that I've got a bit of grip and a bit of lock, Jesus Christ, mad. What a difference a setup can make. It's amazing. It's giving me a lot more confidence, but now my clutch isn't working, it's not amazing.
Are you going off or are you going to skip
No,
this
I'll
one?
just see what happens.
Oh, man, no worries.
Cheers, man.
Window up, off you go.
Go. So yeah, we're currently hunting for a new clutch. Julian at Garage D said if we take the gearbox off, we can measure it, give him a shout, and fingers crossed he can bring one up tonight. So we are literally just putting the car on some wheels. Got a very fine man, Mr. John, being an absolute fucking legend. Mr. V on the camera. We've just spun the prop shaft round, now we're taking off the top bolts. And then we're gonna do the, disconnect the prop, take the gearbox mount off, and then start undoing the gearbox and remove the slave cylinder and the speedo connector. We got Drew on board. Sup, Drew? Woo-woo! See, look, it can always helps at hand at these skid events. Big up UK.
Yeah. Check it. We're getting jiggy, good turn riggers like Biggie. One another remember this one's the bomb Biggie. Use my intellect, gonna rhyme with it, gonna break beats out to run the whole city. We turn up the heat, show no pity. When I get home, my girls I get sticky. It's about the bars I don't know that everybody's getting in and acting real silly. But I'm getting the knee, give us a man, I feel the heat. Everybody's getting kind of busy. I'm gonna shake it like most of the shit with that on the round, never ask for your today. Cause I'm making it sound the best today. That's how I'm gonna do to get me. This is more, I'm gonna be rock with it, put it back on, get it. The morning just like me.
So we've got the clutch disc out. All we got to do now is just measure the diameter of the disc, send the specs to Julian, fingers crossed. Helps me out. I've ordered a new clutch from Garage D. It's a 225 mil, so he's going to bring one down at about 7 o'clock. So yeah, we're just going to chill out for now, go and watch a bit of drifting. And yeah, we'll get the clutch tonight, fit it, and fingers crossed we can do a fat skid tomorrow. Happy days. We have this wonderful Jaguar E-Type running a 1JZ. Very fucking nom-nom. Look at that, what a beast. Lovely car, man. Oh, absolutely stunning. So yeah, it's not every day you see a Jaguar E-Type drift car. Over here we got Lee Barker's R34, looking lovely. Now sporting full Midnight Motorsport livery, looks very sexual. Nothing like a BGW. Strong flex. Whoa! Yeah, boy! That's it. Fine chap called Rory. Peace. Rory's very kindly let me have a little go. He's very trusting. He's seen my videos, but hopefully I'm not going to have a stack. So what do I do? That's trigger.
Yeah, that's trigger.
And that's turning.
And that's steering.
You know, it's a mad controller, isn't it? Yeah. Controller. Crazy. Mad. Right, where are we? I'm like a granny. Ah! Sorry. Fucking hell, I'm like a granddad. I don't want to break it. Are they alright?
Yeah, they're alright. Just drive round until you just drive the car until you know, until you know where the braking point of it is.
Fucking hell, so hard. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Monkey London officially is the worst RC driver around. Rory's now going to show us how it's done. Lovely bit of RX-7. Fucking supercharger on that. Very lovely. Love the JDM inspired graphics. Looks pretty cool. Nice bit of manga. Nice little Mini. Do like a little Mini, that's pretty cool that, nice and low. Little wide arch kit, yum yum. Sexy beast. Is it C33?
Yeah.
C33, cool man, it's lovely. Full door love. Some dickhead called Dave Bastard owns this. Very famous chap called Mr. Huxley.
Oh, fucking no new start.
Very good looking man.
Fuck off, you better looking at me.
Here's the old shit box. Gearbox is on the floor. So yeah, hopefully Julian texted me about 10 minutes ago saying that the parts are actually being delivered by a young lady. So I'm going to keep an eye out for her. Get the clutch, refit it, and yeah, fingers crossed tomorrow we can do a fat skid. A little bit disappointed I could only do 2 laps today, or 3 laps, whatever I did, but it is what it is. Look at that. That's what I need. I need one of those trolleys. Oh, look at the equips on this. Lovely set of deep dish equips on this 14. Looks pretty cool. Nice clean, what's it, PS13, Sil 80, fuck knows. I'm not so clued up with my S-bodies. We've got a big V! I haven't seen you all day.
Yeah, because
You're
I
right.
was working.
Oh, bless you, man. He is a good worker, to be fair. Lots of
good
filming.
shots, yeah.
Good man. So yeah, keep an eye out for, well no, this time we might actually release the video quickly.
Yeah, quicker.
Last year it took us about 3 months to make it. This year we promise you Mark Sweeps, we're gonna get it out a bit quicker, aren't we? We got Lex's R34, running a 2JZ, 600 horsepower, Quaife gearbox, many sexual parts. Top lad, Mr. Lex. Love you lots. A really nice R33. They are sort of starting to grow on me, the 33s. When they're low and quite simple like this without a mad body kit, they do look really sexy.
Yeah, it's nice that this one has an inboard engine. The outboard is cool.
Yeah, it's the nicest boat they ever made, that's for sure. This is a world exclusive Porsche 944 drift car. Very original and very different. Good man. Cool. Catch up with you in a bit, man. So yeah, it's not every day you see a Porsche 944 drift car, so that's pretty cool. He's actually running the NA block. I think they're a 2 litre or 1.8, and he's got I think he's got a K26 turbo bolted to it, about 250 wheel horsepower. So yeah, pretty capable drift car. That nice to see. Yo yo yo, Big V. It's got dark now. The night is upon us. So yeah, and want to just say a massive thank you to me old mucker Julian and Derek, Garage D. Legends as always rescue me. Genuine, brand new. And we've also got a new Orc clutch disc, as you can see there. Orc. So yeah, brand new disc, brand new pressure plate. So we're gonna crack on in the next sort of half an hour. Fit up these bad boys, get the gearbox back on, then fingers crossed tomorrow I can carry on doing some skids. I mean, I only really did sort of, I think 2 or 3 laps today. First lap, the tyre came off. Second lap, I think I did pretty well. Third lap, I think there were a few backies. I'll probably rewatch the footage and it would be like half a backy, like 45-degree backy. But yeah, no, the car was really sick. I'd really do highly recommend Garage D. They always have a lot of parts in stock and they always go beyond the Call of Duty with me, so yeah, I really appreciate it. If you guys check down here, this is their Instagram. Make sure you give them a follow. Their Facebook page is also here and their website is here. So yeah, big plug, massive plug to Garage D. We have Mr. Oak, fist bump sir. He's actually a qualified race mechanic, so I really couldn't think of anyone better to do this job. Definitely better than me. Just gonna crack on, get the old clutch back in there, and fingers crossed I can do a skid tomorrow.
Uh-oh. Warning. Incoming bass frequencies. What's that? Stop at the show, but the trouble is to get him up and then yo, this is up, 2 double low, 3 summer flow. I got the you, got the we, got the now. Let everyone that live in the city, stop at the show, but the trouble is to get him up and